Hi, my name is Shelley Hodell. We started this project actually back in February when we bought this beautiful home up in Lakestone, and we wanted our backyard to mirror what we thought was a beautiful inside. So we started with Creative Roots. We gave them a call, and one of the reasons that we picked Creative Roots was 18 years ago. They did a house up for us at Gallagher's from start to finish, from the build process right through to the end. And even today, my husband and I still drive by and think, wow, like what an amazing job that they did. So they were really the only people that we called and that we really entrusted to give us the vision that we were looking for our backyard. Talked to Matt, who worked with us through the design process, which is massively important. He came with this out of this world smashing design, and my husband looked at me and he just said, "We have to do this." And I said, well, let's get a price. And we came out with an amazing, amazing backyard. And we just love everything about it. Project took about 3 to 4 months, from February to really start to get going where we could kind of see something. But I've said to their management team, who was Rick, who was here almost every day, and all their workers from Fraser to Noah to Tony, everybody, I just said to them, I can't believe, where did you find such fabulous employees? They were on time, they were courteous, they were always conscientious about, the mess. Of course, you can't help the mess, but they were always conscientious for us if we were having company or whatever was happening in our lives, that they made sure that they took care of everything and cleaned things up for us. And they were the most pleasant people really I've ever had working for us in landscaping. I'm actually sitting in my favorite spot of the yard, which is our fire pit area. And we just finished having a party here. We had about 40 people. We entertained in the backyard very comfortably. And this seemed to be the hub of the area, and I love this area. Our grandchildren would say they loved the putting green. We couldn't have picked a better design for our yard for all ages and for everything that we really wanted in this project. If I was anybody out there, I absolutely would go with Creative Roots. They are an amazing company. They have impeccable staff. They're professional. They really looked after us and listened to us in every step of the way. They were 100% professional people to work with. You couldn't ask for a better contracting team than Creative Roots.